Gil Paclauna. Currently nasa Baguio po. And katulad po ng sinabi ko last sem, mahilig po ako magtugtog ng instruments, kumanta, anything musically inclined.
Okay, sige. Wala pa rin pagbabago. Okay, that's good. How about you, Mr. Dom or Miss Dom Mahicon? I think Mr. Dom. Mr. Dom Mahicon. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
I'm Dominic Mahicon from Baguio City, and I used to have a hobby of drawing and painting before I got to college. Yun lang, sir.
So lately lang yun. Wow. So try mo pong mag-explore ng iba, baka may mga mahiligan ka pa. Anyway, so thank you, Mr. Dom. How about you, Miss Ian Cariel Castañeda?
Hi, my name is Ian Cariel Castañeda. I'm from Tarlac po. Ngayon po, naglalaro po ng Valorant. Tapos, nag-try din po mag-embroidery. Yan lang.
Nagtatry
Embroidery po.
Hindi ko alam yan. Maybe that's also a game. Alright, so Valorant, I've heard of it and I played also that game once or twice. Pero hindi ko masyadong natripan. Anyway, how about you, Mr. Francis Alvuro?
Hi, my name is John Francis M. Alburo. I live in La Paz, Tarlac, and my hobbies are playing video games.
Playing video games. Alright. Yeah, that's good. How about you, Miss Giselle? Giselle Kate Kapan?
Hello po, I'm Giselle Kate Kapan. I'm living the Trinidad Benguet po. Tsaka pag sa hobby po, I'm into music. I play instruments. Percussion po ang hawak ko.
Ano yan?
Percussion po, drums.
Wow. Actually, never ko pa na-try mag-drums, pero interesting yan. Anyway, thank you for that one, Miss Giselle. How about you, Mr. Lamin?
Hi, sir. I am Jeremy Lamin, and I'm living here in Baguio City.
How about any hobbies?
Ano ba yung part? Kasi
ano yun? Naputol yata.
Watching, sir. Watching. That's all.
Okay. Sige. Alright, so thank you, Mr. Lamin. How about you, Mr. Velasco?
I'm Jigger Velasco po from Pangasinan. And hobbies ko po is watching anime and reading manga.
Okay, thank you. And how about you, Mr. Gaulik? Job Gaulik?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joe Emmanuel Gaulik, and I'm currently here in Baguio City, and I don't have any hobbies as of now.
As of now. So, how about before? You have any hobbies before?
Sir, I'm handling the business of my parents.
Wow, so your parents are businessmen. All right, so thank you very much, Mr. Gaulik. Is that right? Did I pronounce your last name correct?
Yes, sir.
Gaulik. Okay. All right, how about you, Miss Amayaw?
Good afternoon po. Joyce Amaya po from Mankayan, Benguet. And hobbies ko po, magmahal po nang hindi ako mahal. Charot. Joke lang po. Playing instruments po.
Playing instruments. Good ka na, ha? First year class pa lang, ha? Okay, sige. Thank you very much, Miss Amaya. Ano yan?
Idol ko po si Miss Giselle Kapan.
Oh, well, hindi ko masyadong kilala si Miss Giselle. Saan ba siya? Wala naman siya dito. Ay, meron. Kanina na pala katatapos lang. Anyway, so thank you. Okay, so nadadagdagan pa rin. Actually, there's 37, I guess 37 or 36 of you guys who are enrolled in this subject. So there were only 19 as of now. Okay, so habang hinintay natin iba, so this is a good opportunity for you guys to, know each other. Para naman kahit papaano magkakilala kayo bago mag-umpisa yung klase. Anyway, how about you? Sino natawag ko kanina? Are you done, Miss Gabaldon?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Alright. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po. I'm Leah Gabaldon. Dito po ako ngayon sa Baguio. I love to sing and I love watching K-dramas po. Yun lang, sir.
K-dramas. Alright. So, thank you. How about you, Mr. Martinez? Kirkpatrick Martinez.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kirkpatrick Martinez. I'm currently based in Agoola Union, and I love to play some online games like Valorant and such.
All right, right. I'm just curious, how do you pronounce Valorant? Is it Valorant or Valorant? Which one's
Valorant,
correct?
sir.
Valorant. All right, so thank you. So, sino lang po hindi ko pa natawag? Mr. Carl Dagyo?
Yes, sir.
All right, so would you please introduce yourself?
I'm Dean Carl Dagyo, currently based here at Tuguegarao, sir. And my hobby is playing offline games such as Vikings Midgard, sir.
Wow, wow, wow. All right, so thank you very much, Mr. Dagyo. Next, Miss Galigues.
Hi guys, I am Mariz and currently living here in Buyagan, La Trinidad. And my hobby is sleeping. That's all.
What? Could you please repeat what you have said? My
hobby is sleeping, sir.
sleeping. All right. Okay, so thank you. I guess lahat naman tayo mahilig matulog. Next, Miss Chelsea. Maxine Chelsea.
Hello po. I am Maxine Chelsea Garcia. I'm from La Union and I love dancing.
You love dancing. All right, all right. So thank you very much, Miss Chelsea. All right, next, Miss Bradley. Miss Mina Bradley.
Sir, lalaki ako.
Ah, kasi Mina. Sino nagpangalan sa'yo ng Mina? Is that your first name or Bradley yung first name mo?
Hindi ko sa tatay ko.
Pangalan mo talagang Mina. And then Bradley is your last name?
Ay, sir, no, baliktad. Bradley first name, Mina last name.
I see. So, kasi confusing nga
ko
kasi.
lang.
So, last name, Mina. Okay, okay. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Last name mo na yun eh. So, Bradley. Mr. Bradley. Okay, so, introduce yourself.
Ako si Bradley Mina. Nakatira sa Baguio City at itatry ako mag-drawing everyday at Adventure Rank level 52 sa Genshin Impact.
Wow, Genshin Impact. Ayaw narinig yung games na yan, pero hindi ko na-try. Maybe magandang laro niya. Anyway, next, Miss Sumo. Feya K.
Hello po. I'm Feya K. Sumo and I live here in Baguio. And I'm fond of reading books and webtoons.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So thank you very much, Miss Sumo. How about you, Mr. Pulmano?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Raster Vince T. Pulmano. I've been living here in Baguio since birth. Hindi na lumabas.
Seryoso ba yan?
Hindi naman. Pero yung favorite hobbies ko is digital art. Tapos I've been currently streaming. Took the hobby of streaming na, sir.
Wow, so we have a streamer here. So wash out naman dyan. Alright, so thank you. So ano yung ini-stream mo? I'm just curious kung okay lang malaman.
Currently, ang ini-stream ko po is League of Legends dahil yun po yung pinakamatagal ko nang nilalarong laro.
Is that a PC game or the
Yes,
mobile?
PC, sir. PC.
Alright, so thank you very much, Mr. Pulmano. Okay, so nod kayo ng stream niya. Baka marami kayong matututunan. Baka pro to pro. Magaling, magaling. How about you, Mr. Ramos?
Sir, I currently live in Baguio City and I'm a guitar player and taekwondo athlete.
ng UC, right? So, of course, UC. Hindi naman ibang school.
No, sir. Brave Arts.
Ano? Brave Arts?
Yes, sir.
Is that, ano bang tawag dito? Para siyang group na sumasali sa mga...
Sir, yes, sir.
I see. Parang organization siya. So, I'm not sure. Not really that familiar with sumo.
Taekwondo gym siya.
Taekwondo. Akala ko sumo. Taekwondo nga pala. Anyway, so, yun. So, yun, medyo kilala nyo na yung ibang kaklase nyo. Konti lang naman. So, alam nyo kung saan sila nakatira. So, kung sakaling same pala yung lugar nyo, kung saan kayo nakatira. So, you might want to, meet each other. Okay? Kasi nawawala na yung essence ng kilanlan natin sa isa't isa dahil sa naging online class na nga yung way of attending the school. So, anyway, naging 21 na tayo. Is there still someone who I wasn't able to mention or to call? Kalika. I think hindi ko pa natawag pa. Miss Kalika, have you introduced yourself already?
Not yet, sir.
All right. So could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rachel Joey Lazo Kalika. You can just call me Joey for short. Is that okay, sir, for the short introduction?
Yeah. How about some hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies are to eat a lot. Yes, sir. To eat a lot.
All right. That's good. Cheers tayo dyan. Mahilig din ako kumain ng marami pero di ako tumataba. Anyway, sino pang di ko natawag? Di ko na masyadong kabisado kung tawag ko na ba lahat. Alburo, I guess I haven't called you yet.
Sir, tapos na po.
Tapos na. Sino pa hindi ko natawag? Mr. Martinez.
Sir, tapos na po ako.
Hindi ko na alam.
Tawag na po ako kanina.
May nadagdag na dalawa pero isa lang yung natawag ko. So hindi ko na alam kung sino yung isa. Anyway, so yeah. So tapos na kayo magpakilala sa isa't isa. So meron pa kayong hindi kilala na 16 kung 37 man kayo, kung 21 kayo ngayon. Actually, 20 pa lang kayo ngayon kasi including me is 21. So there's still 17 who are not here yet. So hindi ko alam kung nasan sila, kung hindi pa ba nila nahanap yung Facebook group natin. So I don't know. Anyway, so let's start now with our modules. All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, itong shared screen ko na to, I hope meron na rin to sa canvas nyo. Meron pa bang hindi updated yung canvas? Alright, so I guess wala na. So I think lahat kayo updated na yung canvas. So nandito yung mga ibang information about this subject. So this math, is discrete mathematics, okay? So we have here the instructor's profile, which is me, of course. So kung titingnan yan, mga short lang naman kung ano yung mga about small information about your instructor, which is me. Okay, and then meron tayong course syllabus kung gusto mong ma-check yung mga topics na i-discuss natin dito sa subject na to. So yan, mga propositions, conditional, blah, 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 quantifiers, proofs, and so on and so forth. Okay? So I'll be honest with you guys. I think we will not be able to finish all of those topics. Pero itatry natin, okay? Kasi before, when I teach this one last year, I guess, last year pa yung pinaka last na turo ko ng discrete math, hindi namin natapos. Okay? Meron pa natirang mga 4 or 5 topics, which is medyo mahaba-haba pa yung discussion. So sa ngayon, ay tatry nating mas bilisan kahit na online distance learning siya. Okay? So tatry natin tapusin lahat yan. And then, next is, ito na yung learning modules, which is same lang din naman siya dito sa modules na to. So parehas lang, kapag clinic mo ito, mapupunta ka rin dito. So as of now, I have already uploaded the module 1, which is part 1 only. So in module 1, we have part 1, part 2, and part 3. So as of now, we'll try to finish this one for now kasi nga medyo mahaba ba siya actually. So itong module 1 is a total of 160 slides. So medyo hinati-hati ko silang yung module 1. So ginawa kong tatlo. So 55 itong 55 bar 53. So 50 plus slides each part. Okay, so we'll be having 3 parts for this module. And siguro hindi nyo pa ito nakikita kasi hindi ko pa siya pinablish. Pero after this meeting, so mamaya siguro ng alas 6, matatapos tayo. Alam niyo naman, so yung mga naging student ko na last sem is 2 hours lang naman yung kina-consume ko. So yes, we have 4 hours of total, but we will only consume 2 hours. So maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes kung mag-extend pa tayo. And yan. Okay, so meron kayong mga exercises and then maybe soon or later on, ibibigay ko yung quiz nyo dito sa Module 1 kasi hindi pa nga tapos to Module 1 since Part 1 pa nga lang siya. Okay, so for now, exercises muna tayo. Okay? Alright, so let's start. So here's the Module 1, Logic and Proofs, Part 1. That's right. So are you guys ready now? Hello?
Yes,
Ready na ba
sir.
kayo?
Yes, sir.
By the way, do
Yes,
we
sir.
have
Yes,
someone?
sir.
Okay, it's good. We have a foreigner here. Meron bang, is there someone who can understand Tagalog here? Alright, so I guess none. So all of you can understand Tagalog. So that's good because it would be easier for me to, explain things kasi meron mga bagay na hindi ko mapaliwanag sa English. Okay. Anyway, so let's start. So first thing that you need to know is what is logic. So it is a study of reasoning, specifically concerned with whether reasoning is correct or no. Okay, so that is the one that we are doing every day without without even knowing. So ito yung para nagiging ano man tawag dito, parang basis natin kung ano yung magiging decision natin sa pang-araw-araw na gawain natin. So tama ba to? Mali ba to? So mostly nagre-rely tayo sa experience natin para malaman natin kung tama ba siya or hindi. Okay? So yan yung reasoning na binigay sa atin or yung wisdom na binigay sa atin ni God. Okay, so it's used to prove theorems in mathematics. Okay, so ito yung mga dahilan kung bakit tayo na-convince na this formula is correct. Okay, so ito yung parang basis kung bakit na-compute itong ganitong value. Okay, so convinced tayo na tama yung formula na yun or tama yung sagot kasi nga proven na sila. Okay, with the use of logic. Okay, so ganoon naman yung mga mathematician dati. Kaya kong makompute kung gaano katagal or gaano kahaba or gaano ka and so on and so forth. So napakarami. So ito yung ginagamit nila, of course. Lahat naman tayo may logic. So yeah. Proving theorems. The next one is statements describing the world can be true or false. Okay. So sa mundong to, napakaraming statements. So as I'm speaking right now, marami na ako nasabing statement. Okay. So yung mga statement na yon, so it can be described as true or false. But it cannot be both. Okay, so kapag hindi nyo na siya ma-identify kung true ba siya or false, that is not a statement anymore. Okay? So yun lang naman yung limitation ng statement. Okay, so what is statements? Para mas magiging klaro kung ano ba itong sinasabi kong statement na to. So basically, to make it short, a statement is a description of something. Okay, so we do have examples here. I'm 25 years old. I have 2 children. I always tell the truth. I'm lying to you. Okay? So lahat ng mga to, as you can see, meron sila mga pattern, like all of them are ending with periods. Okay? And then all of those are only answerable by true or false. But it cannot be true at the same time and then false at the same time. Okay? So dapat isa lang. Alright, so sagutan natin to. I'm 25 years old. Is that true or false? Ano sa tingin nyo? So, just guess. Hello? Diyan ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ko alam kung na-disconnect kayo.
True, sir.
Anyway. Ano yan?
True.
No, this one is not true. Okay, so possible sana bilisan natin yung pagsagot natin, okay? Kasi sayang yung oras kapag naghihintay ako. So mas maganda sana kung cooperative kayo, okay? So, mas maganda kung naka-open na lang yung mic nyo kaagad-agad. So, this one is false, okay? So, I'm not yet 25 years old. So, right now, I'm 24 years old. Okay, so next year pa yun. This year na pala actually. Okay, this year na, pero matagal pa. And then I have 2 children. What do you guys think?
False.
False.
True.
False.
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 False. Kasi
True,
tatlo na
malakas si
yung
sir.
anak ko. Just
Diba,
kidding.
pwede rin.
Wala pa akong anak. So this one is false. How about the third one? I always tell the truth.
False.
False. Lahat naman tayo hindi nagsasabi ng totoo, paminsan-minsan. Okay, minsan lang naman. Okay. Kasi pangit na paglagi. How about I'm lying to you?
Maybe.
True, 'di ba? Kasi lahat ng sinabi ko kanina kasinungalingan. Okay? Pero maniwala kayo sa mga i-discuss ko kasi lahat naman to tama. Okay? So ito lang kasinungalingan to. So this one is true. Okay? But not always. Okay? So may tinatawag tayong white lies kumbaga. So minsan kailangan talaga kaya tayo nagsisinungaling. Anyway, so we do have here the examples of statement and non-statements. Okay, so for statements, so we have 3. So the first one is the jeeps are always late. Second one is overspeeding is a top cause of car accidents. And then the third one is I like pizza because it is very tasty. Okay? So para malaman nyo kung statement ba siya or hindi, okay, it should be ending with period. Second, kapag nag-end na siya ng period, you should check the sentence. So if that sentence can be answerable by true only, then that one is a statement. Or false only, then that one is a statement. But if the sentence or the statement cannot be answered by true or false, so that one is not a statement anymore. Okay, so yun lang. Meron lang tayong dalawang rules. Should be ending with period kasi it's stating a fact. Kung hindi man siya fact, so kung kasinungalingan, so magiging false, which is still a statement. Okay, as long as nag-fall siya sa true or false, okay, kahit sa anong dalawang yun, wag lang both. Okay, for non-statements, so as you can see, this one is not ending with period. Okay, we're in welcome to the University of the Cordillera. So hindi mo masasagot yun ng true or false. Okay, so it's just someone who's welcoming you to the University of the Cordilleras. And the second one, how can I avoid over speeding? So again, this one is not ending with period. So this one is ending with question mark, wherein it cannot be answered by true or false because this one is a question. This one is asking you if how he or she can avoid over speeding. And then the third one is, I suggest you to eat pizza because they are super delicious. Okay, so ito na siguro yung pinaka pagtutuunan nyo ng pansin. Yes, it is already ending with period. But then again, you should check the sentence. So in here, as you can see, it is suggesting you to eat a pizza. So if it's a command or an advice or a suggestion, then that one is not a statement anymore. Okay? So clear? Ganun lang naman kasimple kung paano malaman kung statement or non-statement. Are we clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just a recap. So a statement should be a fact, so it should lie under true or false, either of those two, okay, but not both. And then for non-statements, if it's ending with exclamation mark, if it's ending with question mark, if it's ending with period, and if that period or if that sentence that is ending with period is an advice or a command, then that one is a non-statement. Okay. All right. So next, so we have here a declarative statement, okay, or declarative or a proposition statement rather. Okay. So a declarative statement is a sentence that declares a fact. Okay. Kung hindi man siya fact, so could be a false statement. So still, that one is still a statement. Nagsisinungaling nga lang siya. But not both. Okay, so paulit-ulit na lang. Okay na paulit-ulit basta mas maintindihan nyo. Okay, yun na lang yung point. Okay, so that is why we have this law of the excluded middle wherein a proposition cannot be partially true or partially false. Okay, so So we do have examples of propositions here. The only positive integers that divide 7 are 1 and 7 itself. So is this unsettable by true or false?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So para hindi kayo maguluhan, hindi nyo kailangang alamin kung true ba siya or false. Okay? As long as parang yun, nagde-define lang siya ng isang bagay, statement na siya kaagad. Okay? So this one is a statement or a proposition. How about this one? Manny Pacquiao won the fight against Antonio Margarito. Proposition?
Yes. Yes, sir.
1 plus 1 is equal to 4. This one is yes. Obvious naman. Your professor is from Mars. Your professor is from Mars?
Statement siya, sir.
Bakit parang nag-isip pa kayo? So, again, either of those two. Kung nanggaling man ako ng Mars, this one is still a statement. Okay? But of course, this one is false. I came from here, from Earth. Okay? The moon revolves around the Earth. Statement?
Statement,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Elephants can fly.
Statement.
Statement.
Okay. Lahat to is statement. Okay? So, sasaglitin natin to. Ito naman yung examples ng not a proposition. Okay? So, again, naulit lang to. If it's a question, that one is not a statement. If it's a command, please erase the board. That one is not a statement or not a proposition. This sentence is false. Okay? So, bakit hindi siya proposition or bakit hindi siya statement? Number 3. Anyone? Why is that number 3 is not a statement or not a proposition?
Sir, kasi hindi answerable ng true or false.
Because this one is not answerable by true or false. Yeah, that's right. Kasi hindi natin alam yung sentence na tinutukoy niya. So in here, we have an unknown value, okay? Or not a clear sentence to be exact, okay? Or hindi complete yung thought ng sentence, okay? So in here, it lies under unknown value. So we don't know that sentence. Okay? So we will not be able to identify whether that one is true or false. Okay, for number 4, a plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so again, a is unknown, so this one is not a proposition or not a statement. Okay, w plus z is equal to y. So again, this one is not a proposition since we don't know the values of w, z, and y. Okay, and what time is it? So again, this is a question. Alex throw the ball. Okay, so hindi natin masasagot to ng true or false. Okay, this one is like a command or yun, hindi natin alam kung ano yung nangyari. Okay, kung true or false. And x is less than 43. So again, we don't know the value of x. So this one is not a proposition. And then how about if x is less than y, then x, actually this one is squared. So hindi ko lang na-squared. X squared is less than y squared. So again, we don't know the values of x and y. So this one is not a proposition either. Okay. So are we clear so far, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you guys have a question or hindi nyo masyado naintindihan, ganun na lang. Okay, pwede nyo ipaulit sa akin. Okay, as long as kaagad-agad, hindi yung nasa slide 10 na tayo. Sir, hindi ko pa naintindihan yung nasa slide 3. Okay, so medyo malayo-layo yun. So as soon as you have a question or a clarification, so you should ask it right away. Okay? Para hindi na lumala. Okay, so let's have a short activity here. So sasagutan nyo lang naman to gamit yung mic nyo. So hindi nyo to sasagutan sa canvas. Okay? So instruction is tell which of the following statements is a proposition or not. Number 1, is Earth is the only planet in the universe that has life?
Proposition.
Proposition, sir. Proposition.
Universe. First question. Okay. Have the scientists or ano bang tawag dito, mga astronauts or scientists, have they already explored the entire universe perfectly? Kumbaga, wala silang na-miss.
No.
No.
Di ba,
Not
di ba?
yet, sir.
So, dito pa lang, meron na tayong unknown value. Okay. So, this one is not a proposition. Okay. Pero kung, kasi ambiguous to so meron tayong mga ganito. Kung bibigay ko siguro tong seat break, so tatanggapin ko yung statement or not a statement. So, gagawin ko tong bonus. Kasi sabi naman ng scientists until now, so kung hanggang Pluto lang yung narating nila, okay, na nakita na planeta, so wala pa talagang life other than Earth. Okay, so, pero dito, kinonvince ko na kayo kaagad kasi universe na nga to. So, hindi lang naman hanggang Pluto yung mga planets natin. So, maybe marami pang iba dyan. Hindi lang nakikita. So, this one is not a proposition. Anyway, number 2, Engineer Ben-Hur Quesada is a current dean of the SEAF UC. Proposition or no?
Proposition, sir.
Proposition. So, either this one is true or false, so still a proposition. Give me 5 pesos.
Not a proposition.
Not a proposition.
Because this one is a command. Okay. Is it raining today?
Not a proposition.
Not a proposition.
Proposition, sir.
The earth is round.
Proposition, sir.
Proposition. So, either man, kung true or false, is still a proposition. X is even.
Not a proposition.
Not a proposition because we have an unknown value. How about number 7?
Proposition.
Okay. So this one is a proposition because the value of X is already given. Okay. So X is not an unknown anymore. Okay. So number 7 is a proposition. Okay. So I hope from this activity, medyo na-warm up na yung utak nyo. Okay. So, continuation. Meron pa pala. Okay. So, meron pa tayong continuation. Okay, sige. Sagutan natin ito kaagad-agad. Number 8. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Proposition or no?
Proposition.
Proposition, sir.
Proposition. Number 9.
Not a proposition.
Not a proposition.
Proposition.
Number 10.
Not.
Not a proposition.
Okay, number 11.
Not.
Not a proposition, sir.
Number 12.
Proposition.
Proposition. Okay. Number 13.
Proposition.
Okay, so yeah, hanggang doon na lang. Alright, so dito ka na muna tatapusin tong part 1 Zoom meeting natin kasi meron na lang tayo natitirang 1 minute. Okay. So itutuloy na lang natin yung susunod later on. Okay, so magpo-post na rin kaagad ako ng link. So join na kaagad din kayo and then we'll be having a 5-minute break. Okay, so pwede na kayo mag-join pero hindi pa tayo mag-i-start kaagad. We'll be having a 5 minutes break. Okay, so for now, goodbye and see you on part 2.